Beautiful boat today. See if we can catch some fish. What is this thing, a Sea Pro? Start with some black drum. Yep, that's your pup drum right there. You got one too? But these are the good eater size right here. That's a good little meal out of him. See, those are the perfect size, where they're still small and no worms and easy to clean. And that's why I like this spot. Is that a drum? Hey, that's a drum. I don't know if he's gonna make the cut though. He's tiny. I've never caught one that small here. That's the smallest. It's like a 12-incher. Or is that a red? Oh, it's a nice red. So yeah, you never know what you're gonna catch out here.
You want that? Standing on it.
No, I got it. I don't even think he's legal. He might be right at 18. He's gonna make your boat all bloody.
Yeah, that's okay, I got washed down.
I think he is legal. Just had to move around and find him again, I guess. Little one. He might make the cut. They're not big, that's for sure. But even the little guys are still strong fighters. Yeah, he'll make it. Yeah, that's
it's little, but it's decent for little.
Yeah, but coming in here to grab 2 fish for dinner is all I ever try to do. And then I leave and go get the big ones. Nice little drum. Get ready. We're gonna get them now. Oh my god, they're everywhere. This whole area is stacked. Just pick one. Just look out there and pick one. I saw at least 6 of them just roll. They're all just sitting out here. All right there. Anywhere in there, just pitch out there and just let it sit. Oh, look at them all right here. Those are little ones. Those look like redfish. I put one right on their nose. Let it sit. They didn't spook, did they? They just kind of sank. Little robot fish. It's right there. They're not very big. They should be easy to catch. You got his butt. Nice fish. Alright, well, we accomplished that finally. We can be done with black drum. Big stupid things.
He barely knew he was there.
This side?
Yeah, it's a little on the small side.
Oh jeez. He's not that big. We've caught him bigger than that?
No, this will be best.
That's your best? That makes it easy. It's about a 32-inch fish.
Should I tighten up on him a little bit, or?
Nah, you usually do it a little bit.
I just did a couple clips.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a good fish right there. That's the fun size.
Can we grab his tail? You got his tail? There we go.
Yeah, that's a little one. He would fit in my net easily.
I had that thought after we left the dock today. I was like, I don't have a good net. Justin likes a good net.
You got another cobia.
Cobia.
Huh?
Another cobia.
Cobia?
Yeah.
Cobia.
That looks a little bigger.
That is bigger. Yeah, first cast.
No, it's not more that big.
It's a cobia.
Is it? Oh,
Yeah.
Bad idea. If you were bigger, would you just gaff him?
Yeah, he's not big enough to gaff.
Sounds like the one he was
That works just fine.
I have 145.
Listen, 2 days ago we were supposed to be on his boat, so.
What the hell is that?
It's either a remora or it's like a mac.
That's a mac.
Nice.
Do you eat those?
Yeah.
Alright. Fun little fish.
You can't see out here until you run out of the ice and it's sitting green up.
Yeah, that is true. Oh, there's a snapper following that one. That looks pretty big. Eat it. Oh, there's a big sheephead.
Actually saw a couple.
That sheepshead just sitting there in the sand. You see it? Two of them. There's a whole bunch of sheepshead right there. You see all the sheepshead?
Yeah. Are they hungry though?
They're swimming off that way. But there's a couple of them just sitting there. Well, that's what we need, an 11, 12 incher. It's going in the cooler. It's a good fish.
I see him.
Put it right on his nose. Damn it, get it farther up. He's coming for it.
Was he?
Yeah, he's falling. He's just sitting right there still. Where'd he go?
I just put it on his nose.
Holy shark. Or what is that?
What is that?
That's not a bull.
It's not a nurse either. Oh, there's the red. There's the red. See him right there?
Those should be sea fish.
No, this is cool. This is what I wanted. Like, this is. Thanks for coming out. I know you don't like being over here right now, but.
Yeah, I mean, this at 9 o'clock, I'd have a lot more excitement. But seeing a 30-inch red like that,
That's pretty cool.
he's gonna eat. Redfish are easier to catch than snook in this time of day. Oh, he just turned sideways. Turned. Oh, he's looking at it right now. Oh, he's just chilling in there. That is a perfect red to catch. He's not scared of us. He's looking for food. He needs to settle down. No, he's moving now. He's not stopping. Yep, he's all the way up to the point now. I think the snook are well back in there right now. It's usually the big snook sit right here. Right in this little sand patch. That's where I usually hook them on them in the morning. I would just put my mud minnow right here in the middle of this. Right in the middle of this cove, I would catch them. This time, oh yeah, those are big snook. All right, get a mud minnow in there. That's them. Now you need a real long cast and put it out in front of them. Nope, not in the tree.
Too long.
I'm surprised those birds didn't scare them. Oh yeah, there's more snook coming out of there. So everything's got to go perfect for snook fishing.
Yeah, no.
You start making any mistakes and you ain't gonna catch one. Those snook are already done for. It's hard to sight fish a picky snook. That's a little guy. Are you hungry? Jiggle your mud minnow, see if he comes for it. Oh, he's coming. He's got it. You got him to eat it.
That was cool.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Well, that's all you gotta do when you see a big one.
Okay.
Now you see how easy the technique is.
Yeah.
The snook aren't that hard to catch.
Does that work with like?
I have done that with bigger snook. We didn't get skunked. Told you there was a big red on that point. Oh, it's a good one too. Did you see him?
Nice.
It's a big red. Big, beautiful red. That's a colorful one too.
Very nice.
We didn't get skunked on redfish. Oh man, that's a good one. He's fat.
10-pointer?
That's a
Nice.
beautiful red.